So this is the final look which I revealed. Hello and welcome to my channel Create Afresh. Today I am going to show you basic makeup, which you can also call party makeup or a normal occasional makeup for visiting any special place. So I don't want to waste any further time. So let's start our today's makeup.
The first step is to clean your face. Either clean it with a cleansing milk or wash your face directly. Here I am applying cleansing milk. My face is now clean. Now moving towards the second step. In my second step, I am applying a moisturizer from Pond's. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, kind of watery, gets absorbed easily. You will get all the link of my products in my description box. I'm taking a little bit, applying in my whole face and letting the moisturizer get absorbed completely. Do not apply makeup just immediately, let it get absorbed for a minimum of 10 minutes time. You need to give for the moisturizer to get absorbed. So our second step of makeup is almost complete now. Moving towards our third step. Before going to the third step, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Now my moisturizer has almost got absorbed. Now it's the perfect time to apply our primer. Many will think, for the beginner's makeup, what is the need of a primer? But trust me, it is very important. This is a primer from a company Oriflame. Everybody has more or less pores in our skin. If we apply foundation immediately after moisturizer, the pores will become visible even after applying foundation. So it's very important to apply a primer to fill up the pores so that we get a flawless makeup. I am applying primer, applying mainly in my cheeks, forehead and under lips, mixing it properly so that I can get a flawless makeup. Now third stage of our makeup has almost completed. Now moving towards our fourth step, the most important step of our makeup. Now I am applying foundation Lakme 925. I have chosen foundation according to my skin tone. Whenever you apply foundation, don't forget to match it your own skin tone. Applying it with the help of the tip of the brush provided with the foundation, or you can apply tip of your finger and apply the foundation directly in your skin. I am tapping little bit of foundation with my fingers at my skin. Now blending the foundation with the help of a foundation brush. This is my very favorite foundation brush. I will give all the link in the description box. Now blending it properly. Strokes will be towards downwards. Blending my foundation throughout my face properly. You can apply foundation brush or makeup applicator, whichever you are comfortable. I'll show both the process in my makeup tutorial. This is my most favorite foundation brush. This is the makeup applicator. I'll show how to use it. Gently tap the applicator and blend your foundation throughout your face. As I have already blended it with the help of my foundation brush, I am only showing how to apply the applicator. Fourth step is now complete. Moving towards fifth step. In my fifth step, I'll apply concealer. Here I am applying Oriflame concealer. Concealer really helps to hide all the flaws of our skin, like dark patches on our skin or any other blemishes or spots in our skin. Just apply it underneath your eyes and all the other spots you have in your face which you want to actually hide. Blend it with the help of your finger. Then apply a brush and blend it now properly. Now my skin is looking really flawless and excellent. Now highlighting the tip of my nose with the same concealer to uplift my nose and all the features of my face. So completed my 5th steps and moving towards 6th. These are the collection of brushes I have for applying my makeup. I'll give the link in my description box so that if you want to buy, you can also go ahead. And trust me, these are really very useful. Now I'm applying loose powder with the help of a powder brush. This is a white loose powder I am using. Just take a very little bit in your brush. Apply it at your whole face. Blend it properly with the help of a fan brush. Remove the excess powder with the help of this fan brush. Now it's almost done. Completed my 6th step and now going towards 7th step of our makeup. Contouring is very important for lifting my face. With the help of a contour brush, I'm contouring my face. Hold the brush at the top of the ear and move the brush up to the center of the eyeball, the same way as I am showing. This step will give an edge to your face and it will help to uplift your face. Now going towards 8th step. This is the stage where I'll apply. I have many blushers among my favorites. This one is one of my most favorite blush. This is Pearls from Oriflame. I'm showing you how it looks. Wow, you see small pearls of different colors. If you don't have this, I recommend you to have one in your collection because this pearls really acts like magic in your skin. Applying at the apple of my face. This is another blush from Oriflame. This is also my favorite. It is a liquid blush. Applying it directly with the help of tip of my finger at the apple of my cheek. because I want to give a little bit pinkish shade at my cheek. Now again blending it with the help of my blusher brush. Now again applying a little bit white loose powder at my blush so that it looks more perfect. It helps to remove the excess of redness from our skin. Moving towards 9th step is to apply eyebrow pencil to give my eyebrow a perfect shape. Now properly blending with the help of my favorite eyebrow brush. If you don't have an eyebrow brush, you can also blend it with the help of a mascara brush. I am also showing it with the help of a mascara brush. Now completed my 9th step. You can already see how my face changed. Now in my 10th step, I'll apply highlighter. Today I choose the liquid highlighter to apply. Everyone likes to glow. The actual work of highlighter is actually lifting up all of your features. Apply it at the highest point of your cheekbones. You can feel it. See, I'm already applying that. It gives an immediate glow to your skin, lifting up all of your features. Applying at the tip of the nose, then applying it at the inner corner of the eyes. It immediately opens up the eyes. You can already see the glow of my face. Now blending it with the help of a brush. You can also use fan brush, which works best. Contouring my forehead. Contouring the chin so that the double chin doesn't appear. Now, moving to the next part, the eye makeup part. I'll show you the most basic eye makeup. This is my eye makeup palette. I'll give the link of the eyeshadow palette at the description box. Please check it. Since it is a beginner makeup, I'm keeping it as much simple as I can. Here I will show you basic eyeshadow application. Applying eyeshadow at the crease or hollow of my eyelids. Applying it in a motion back and forth in the same way and continuous. And don't cross this angle. You have to keep your eyeshadow within this limit. Blend the eyeshadow properly. See? This way. Repeating the same thing for another eye. Now taking another shade, with the help of the eyeshadow brush, apply some eyeshadow at the corner of the eyelids, just giving an angle to my eyeshadow. Blending it properly at the corner. Okay, you can see now. Doing the same for the other eye. Now with the help of the fingertip, applying some eyeshadow at the center of my eyelids. This way I am more comfortable to apply my eyeshadow. I have chosen the golden shade for the center of my eyelids. Blending it properly, you can see. My eyes are already looking super cool now. Giving a more golden shade at the center of my eyelid. Now you can see how my eyelids are looking now. Doing the same thing for the other eye. Whatever left at your brush, apply it at your lower eye line, just defining my eyes a little bit more. See? Just defining above the eyelids with the help of a highlighter. With the help of an eyelash curler, curling my eyelashes to give it a very good shape. Now applying eyeliner. This is my most favorite eyeliner. This eyeliner is very special. It has two shades. One is light and another is very deep. One for creating a smoky eye look and another for a deep eyeliner look. I'm going to show you both of this. This is the light color I am applying now. Just giving a little bit angle. After applying the light shade, if I blend with the help of a brush, it can create a smoky eye look. But I skipped that step here because I want to give my eye a gorgeous look. Next step is mascara. This is Oriflame's 2x Volume Mascara and my most favorite one. It gives double volume to the eyelashes. This one gives the first coating. This one gives the second coating. So volume is greatly increased after the double coated application. Now I am applying the first coating at the upper lashes. Just start our application from the beginning of our lashes. It gives a very large length to our eyelashes. That means it gives an assumption that our eyelashes are very much lengthy. Repeating the same thing with the other eye. Then applying the second coat of our mascara. For the lower eyelashes, I am applying the mascara only at the tip of the eyelashes. Otherwise, it will look very clumsy if I apply my mascara for the complete length of the lower eyelashes. This is my another favorite mascara. Again, it gives very good volume and also my favorite one. So going to the next step of my makeup. This is the most favorite part of my makeup, the lipstick part. And you must all agree that makeup can't be completed without the lipstick. The list of my favorite lipsticks are very long. Today for this makeup tutorial, I am applying this matte orange color lipstick. So let me show you the magic of this lipstick. Okay, I am all done with my lipstick and you can very well see how it's looking now. I forgot to show you this magic highlighter from Master Chrome Maybelline. This is the best highlighter I own. Now the last step of my makeup. This is setting spray. I'll apply this setting spray so that my makeup can stay for a long time. Just don't forget to avoid your eye area, otherwise it will give burning sensation.
So this is the final look which I revealed after the makeup, and you can compare from the first beginning video and just now after all this makeup. If you like my video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button.